Again, today we're going to write algebraic expressions. The first one, Clyde weighs P pounds. Dexter weighs 23 pounds more than Clyde. We're going to write an algebraic expression in relation to Dexter's weight. That's the key. Again, we've assigned a variable P for pounds, and it's asking us to do that. But P represents Clyde's weight. And we know for a fact that Dexter weighs 23 pounds more than Clyde. So Dexter is going to weigh 23 pounds more than Clyde. And again, here's Clyde right here. So his is Clyde's plus 23 pounds more. This represents Dexter's weight. The next one, Dairy King charges $1.99 for each large cone and $1.29 for each small cone. We want to write an algebraic expression to show the earnings of selling cones. I have used the variables L for large cones, the number of large cones that they sell, and then S for small cones. Again, they're going to charge $1.99 for each large cone. So if they sold 2 cones, 5 cones, 10 cones, however many cones they'd sell, I'd multiply that by $1.99. So 1.99 times L. So $1.99 times L, the number of large cones, plus, and then $1.29 for small cones. And I'm using S for small. This tells me they charge $1.99 per large cone and $1.29 per small cone. As far as the stations go, you're still going to write algebraic expressions, but make sure you're reading each one. This one says Hunter is 28 years younger than his father. So we all know that sons are younger than their fathers. But we're going to write an expression using Hunter's age to describe his father's age. So again, when we do this, we're honing in on representing his father's age. Well, we know that A is Hunter's age. But Hunter's 28 years younger, so that means his father is 28 years older. So that's why we have to add 28. Because again, this right here, A represents Hunter's age. That's Hunter. Station 2, renting a paddle boat costs $8 per hour to rent. We're going to write an expression for the cost to rent a paddle boat for H hours. H represents the number of hours, and they're going to charge $8 per hour. So I'm going to be 8 times H. 8 represents the $8 per hour. H is the number of hours. Station 3, 3 brothers earn money by doing yard work. The brothers split the money equally. Let's recall, when you split equally, it does represent to divide. So we're going to write an expression that describes how much money each brother earns, and that's why I'm using D for dollars. So I have an amount of money that the brothers make by doing yard work, but they're going to split equally. Well, how many brothers are there? Again, there's 3 of them, which is why it's going to be D, the number of dollars they're going to make for doing yard work, divided by 3, which is the 3 brothers. Or you can write D divided by 3. Station 4, a long distance call costs 10 cents plus 4 cents, and that should be 4 each minute. Write an algebraic expression to find the cost of the call. Well, they charge 4 cents for each minute, which is why I'm assigning M for the number of minutes. What if you talk for 1 minute, 10 minutes, 20 minutes? That's the number that's going to be multiplied by the 4 cents. But don't forget, they're just going to charge you 10 cents just to make the phone call. Not per minute, but just to make the call. So this part right here, I have to add that on to my expression. Now, 10 cents. How do we write 10 cents? Again, 10 cents is 0.10. Right there, that's just to make the call. But I have 4 cents for each minute. Now, when you do this, most kids will write 4M. Well, if you're going to write the number 4 and we're talking money, that represents $4, but it's 4 cents. So a lot of kids will say it's 0.4. No, remember money has 2 decimal points. So it's not going to let me erase. So this is 40 cents. This is 4 cents. So let me rewrite that. 4 cents per minute, 0.04 times the minute plus the 10 cents just to make the call. This is the correct algebraic expression. Station 5, you go bowling and each game costs $2.25. So again, they're going to charge you $2.25 for each game. In addition, shoe rental for the day is $1.75. So you don't pay $1.75 for each game, just $1.75 to rent the shoes. So to rent the shoes, it's $1.75. And again, they're going to charge you $2.25 for each game, which is why I assigned G as our variable to the number of games. And it's going to be $2.25, 2.25 times the number of games. And then I'm going to add on the $1.75 for the shoes. The next, admission to the zoo costs $3 per person. A family has a coupon for a discount of $5. There are P people in the family. Write an algebraic expression to represent how much the family pays. I did assign P for the number of people because again they're going to charge $3 per person. Well, if the family has 5 people, it'd be 3 times 5. So it's going to be $3, and here's my per person, so 3 times P. But let's think about this. A discount of $5. If you have a discount, you take money off. When you take money off, you subtract. That's why we want to take off the $5. And that is your algebraic expression. For the last one, station 7. At the park, the rental fee for a bicycle is $7.50 plus $3 for each hour the bike is rented. Write an algebraic expression to find the cost for the bike rental. Again, it says right here, it's $3 for each hour, per hour. That's why H is the number of hours. So right there is 3 times H, $3 per hour. That's each hour that you rent the bike, but you have to rent the bicycle itself for $7.50 plus $7.50. And that is writing algebraic expressions from word phrases.